Today we're making a cheesy beef and potato skillet that's simple, budget-friendly, quick, and perfect for weeknights.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
Heat a large skillet and add about 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Toss in 2 medium potatoes cut into cubes and spread in an even layer. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Let them brown for 2 to 3 minutes, then flip and cook another 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Once golden, place potatoes on a plate and set aside momentarily. In the same pan, add 1 pound of ground beef. Break it up so it browns evenly. Be sure to visit my kitchen favorites and more on my Amazon store. Link found in the description below or in my bio for other platforms. Make sure you remove any excess grease for a lean result. Next, add 1 small chopped onion and 1 chopped green bell pepper. I sometimes add a red bell pepper too. Just use what you have on hand. Cook until fragrant and your beef is fully browned. Now add 3 minced garlic cloves and mix for 30 seconds, then season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir in 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. I like using McCormick's brand. Mix everything until well combined, then return the potatoes to the pan. Now pour in 2 cups of beef broth and toss in a small bunch of chopped cilantro. Give it a good stir. Bring to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, uncover and layer the skillet with shredded cheese. I'm using cheddar and mozzarella, but Kobe or Monterey Jack would work great too. Just make sure to shred your own cheese fresh for the best result. Cover again and cook for 5 more minutes or until the cheese is melted and the potatoes are fork tender. This is delicious as is or served over a bed of white rice with some steamed veggies for a complete meal. As an option, you can also top with extra cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or a squeeze of lime for brightness.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.